Let's take a black blank for making a postcard measuring 20 by 10 centimeters. Draw the picture. Preliminary. I had it this way. Draw the picture on the postcard with a pencil. Here is what I got. Take the white marker and line all the outlines you have drawn with your pencil. Line the contours again till the paper stops absorbing the paint and the picture is no longer dim. The cover of the invitation is ready. Then you can decorate the inside of the invitation to your taste, or make it the way I did. Take designer paper with red and white chevron and cut a piece measuring the same size as one side of the postcard. Now apply some glue to the top turn of the postcard and paste this paper there. Take a paper with a different pattern. Cut a strip with 2 cm height and paste to the bottom of the postcard. Cut 3 small stripes measuring 12 by 2 cm from a paper of neutral color. Paste them diagonally, one below the other on the bottom of the postcard. You must have 3 light lines. Write who and where you invite on the 2 top lines. On the bottom line, you need to write from whom the invitation is. The invitation to a party in Twin Peaks style is ready. With the help of a pencil and a ruler, draw letters on a red paper so that to form the phrase "Far Walk with Me." The templates of my letters you can find on the link provided under this video. Cut out the letters with a stationary knife and ruler. Take a lace of the length that it fits all the letters while the edges are free for fixing the garland. Stick all your letters with PVA glue in the right order to get the phrase "Fire Walk with me." With such a garland, you can decorate the wall in your room. Take the tube from food film and mark rings, each in 4 cm length on it. With the help of a soft ruler, draw the borders of the rings. Both cuts must be parallel. Now, with the help of a sharp clerical knife, cut the marked rings evenly. Take a piece of blank cardboard and cut it into even strips, each 3 mm wide. For decorating one ring, we shall need 4 segments of 2 cm, 2 segments of 1.7 cm, and 2 of 3 cm. Take pieces of 1 cm and glue them at the angle of 90 degrees to get a rhombus. Then, attach the short pieces to the upper edges of the rhombus and to the long ones, all at right angles. You will get a such-like symbol of an owl. Paint the rings you have cut with a gold spray. Do this very carefully, not to spoil anything. Cover the surface you are going to spray the paint on with a film. Take one ring and fasten the symbol of the owl on it with PVA glue. Repeat the same with all other rings.